Ngikwamukele ngikubingelele mbukeli kwi-C-News kanti ke namhlanje ngizokwethulela laphana ke okuzokwenzeka namhlanje ke khona laphana ke kumalanga awafane. But before siqhubeke nevideo yethu bengicela laphana ke ufike upause ivideo ebese uya laphana ukulike, ufike ulike uciphize ulike sengicela bafethu, uphinde ke uye laphana ku subscribe uphinde uklike i-notification bell kuyo ke i-channel yethu ke i-C-News ukuze ke uzohlezi updated ke ngendaba ke ezithintana ke nama-telenovela. Well, so beqinisile mabethi amalanga awafani ngempela. The past always comes back when you least expect it. Tonight on Amalanga Awafani, secrets, joy and danger collide in one explosive episode. Sabelo is finally forced to face the consequences of his actions. Everything he tried to hide, everything he thought was buried comes back to haunt him. So beqinisile ukuthi ke konke kwenzeka ubumnyameni ke kuyovela ke mhla sekusile noma masekukhanya, so there's nothing to hide empilweni. So njengamanje ke it is the case ngaye lapha ke usabela ukuthi konke beje kufihlile ke kuyaqhamuka sekuyaze mbula khona ke njengamanje, and this time there's no running away for yena lapha ke usabelo. Meanwhile, Sugar Basin is on cloud 9. Uyajabula, he's enjoying his happiness with Thembi, believing everything is finally falling into place. Love is strong, the future looks bright, but what he doesn't know is that shocking news is hanging over him and it could change everything in an instant. But then there's Tar. She finds herself in serious trouble after being exposed. Her situation takes a dangerous turn and now she must face the truth. Will she be able to fix things, or is it late already or already too late? We don't know. Don't miss tonight's episode of Amalanga Awafani because the truth is finally catching up with everyone. If you enjoy daily teasers like this, make sure you subscribe, hit like and tell us in the comments, is this the end of Sabelo and what is shocking news about Sugar Basin? So Bafetu, unfortunately I have to end the video. Tango!